In the previous video, we looked at getting started with the resume tool on Employability Advantage. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to watch it before you watch this video. You'll find a link to that video in the description. In this video, we will look at how to finish up and target your resume for specific jobs you plan to apply for. In this section, you can see that there is a score for your resume. So let's click on Explore My Score. In the top right corner of the page, you will see the number of critical mistakes you have made, as well as the score breakdown to identify areas that require improvement. This is an opportunity for you to learn from the feedback provided by the scoring and enhance your resume to make it truly exceptional. As you scroll down, you will be able to identify the specific sections of your resume that require improvement. This feedback will guide you in enhancing those areas. By working on these suggestions, you can improve your score and ensure that your resume is better aligned with the specific jobs you are applying for. It is also very easy to adjust the format of your resume. If you want to change the format of your resume, click on Template and click on Other, and then click on the resume format of your choice to get that set up. We can also change the placements of each section on your resume, so if you click and hold the Skills section, for example, you'll be able to drag and drop it to where you prefer that section to be in your resume. Another thing you can also do is go to Adjustments to adjust the font size, line height, or if you want to show your profile picture in your resume, there is that option as well. If you find that your resume's format is not formatted in a way that you like it to be, and it becomes tedious to manually adjust everything by yourself, you can click on Auto Adjust, and that will help to automatically adjust all the formatting in your resume so that everything fits correctly in your template. Another crucial detail we need to address is a common mistake that many students make when crafting a resume: sending out the same resume for every job application. It's vital to curate your resume for each specific job you intend to apply for. We understand that this can be challenging and a time-consuming task. That's why our AI keyword targeting feature comes to your aid, helping you create a tailored resume that aligns with the requirements of the specific job you are applying for. To proceed, navigate to the job application page of the position you wish to apply for. Next, highlight and copy the job description provided on that page. Then, simply paste the entire job description into the job description box within the AI keyword targeting feature. Once you have copied and pasted the job description, proceed to write down the job title you are applying for in the designated field. After that, click on the Save Job Description button. Upon generating the result, you will see a list of keywords indicating their presence or absence in your resume for the specific job you are applying for. Keywords marked with a green tick signify that they are present in both your resume and the job description. Additionally, at the bottom of the list, you will find keywords that you should consider including more of in your resume. This will enhance your chances of success in securing the desired job. And finally, let's discuss how you can create a cover letter using the AI cover letter feature. Click on the AI cover letter section. It's always good practice to include a cover letter along with your resume, as it provides valuable information to the recruiter. The AI feature for creating cover letters in this resume tool is fantastic and incredibly easy to use. To begin, ensure that you complete all the fields on the right-hand side. Fill in your company name and position title. You can also add your most recent job title in the position highlight and your highest education degree in the education highlight. Don't forget to scroll down and include the relevant skills that you want to incorporate into the cover letter. When you have completed filling in all the fields, click on the AI Writer Ready button at the bottom to start generating your cover letter. Once the cover letter is generated, click on Save Suggestion and you can manually edit the text where required. When you have finished editing and you are happy with the cover letter, you can download the cover letter in PDF format to submit the job application. That's all for today's video on how you can use the smartest AI-powered resume builder. It's very simple and easy to use. Just follow the steps along the video to help you build a standout resume to secure your dream job in no time. See you in the next video where we will discuss on how to use the interview tool. Thank you for watching.